amigos! Welcome to Learning Spanish with NicaGal. I am Cristian Meneses Jacobs, tu profesora de español, your Spanish teacher. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make Pico de Gallo. Let's get started with making the Pico de Gallo, a Mexican appetizer or dip that people eat with tortilla chips. So I have pre-cut all of our ingredients. You're going to need, though, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and tortilla chips. So let's get started. We're going to measure the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into a large dish. We are going to add the minced garlic, and the cilantro together. And add the chopped tomatoes. And the onions. And we are going to mix all of these ingredients together. Make sure that you mix it from the bottom up. And then we're going to get the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt. And a pinch of pepper. So we add the salt and pepper. And we mix again. Your mixture should look like this, and it's ready to be eaten. So you need to grab a tortilla chip and spoon a little bit of your Pico de Gallo into it and enjoy. Delicioso.